What's up, guys? This is Jake. Today we're taking a look at the Scrubbing Bubbles Fresh Gel Toilet Bowl Cleaning Stamps. I wanted to go ahead and grab the packaging so you guys could see this here. We're going to take a look at the instructions, how it's going to work. I'm going to talk about my experience with it. And we're also going to take a look at a lot of questions that I see people asking about these toilet bowl stamps. So start with just a little bit of my experience. We were having some sewer issues where we were having a lot of smell coming back through the toilet, had to find something to be able to neutralize that. And these have worked incredibly well. Really good smell. It neutralized a lot of the odor we were having, plus put off a good scent. This one specifically is lavender, which you can see right here. And it's nothing that's like too overwhelming of a scent, but it's just a nice calming scent in the bathroom. So we've really liked it. Has just been really, really good here for us. So let me start by kind of just showing you guys the instructions. So they're simply going to snap together. So you've got this piece here. You're going to put it in and snap them together, like you can see here in the instructions. Then you're literally just going to position it wherever you want into the toilet bowl. You're going to dispense it by pushing a button, which is located up here, directly onto the toilet bowl. It's going to stamp a little bit of the gel into the bowl. Then you're going to flush, which is actually what's going to activate it. And then you're going to make sure you close the cap back. These things have 6 stamps inside them total, each one lasting, I believe it's 12 days, if that's correct. Yep, 12 days. I believe we've left ours on for a full 2 weeks, but they say 12 days. So let me answer a few questions. I see a lot of people asking about this, and hopefully it can help you decide whether this is right for you or not. A couple people were asking, does it make your water blue? No, it doesn't. So simply what's happening is you've got the gel in the toilet bowl. When it flushes, it's actually what's activating the scent, but it's not going to change the color because it's not sitting down at the bottom of the toilet. I've seen people asking about bidets, if it causes any issue there. It actually does not. I have a bidet as well. I just make sure to put it on the opposite side of the bidet so those aren't close to one another. So that hasn't been an issue. And then obviously the ultimate question, does it actually alleviate smell, and does it smell good itself? Both have been the case. Again, I've really liked my experience with it. We will continue to have this in the house. It's just kind of a no-brainer, especially for how good of a price it is. So if you want to make sure your bathroom continues to, first, not smell bad, and second, smell good, I highly recommend picking this up from Scrubbing Bubbles.